Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, your go-to channel for everything related to D365 F&O. In today's video, we're diving into a hands-on, step-by-step guide on how to create a new project in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Visual Studio as administrator. This is crucial to ensure we have permissions to work with Dynamics 365 development tools. Step 2. Now go to File, New, Project. From the left panel, select Dynamics 365 and then choose Finance and Operations Project Template. Give your project a name, let's say Sample D365U Project, and click Create. Select Project Location. A project is a container for your code and objects like tables, classes, forms. A solution can contain one or more related projects. It's great for organizing large customizations. You can keep the solution and project in the same folder for simplicity. Just check the box when creating a new project. Step 3. Here, choose the model where your project will live. If you already have a model, great. Else you can refer our video for model creation. Right-click your project greater than Properties, Model, and select it from the drop-down. Step 4. With the project ready, you can start adding elements like table, forms, classes. To add these, right-click on the project in Solution Explorer, Add, New Item, and pick the element you want. Step 5. Once your development is complete, build your project, right-click then Build. Then sync it with your environment using Synchronize Database option. This makes sure your new table and form are properly deployed. And that's it. You've now created a new project from Dynamics 365 F&O. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Dynamics 365 content coming your way.